Breakfast buffet. Oop, there's our scaldo. Job. Uy, may cereal. Gusto mo cereal? Cereal? Uy, there's also waffles and pancake. You want that? What do you want? Ha? Cereal? Okay, I get you cereal. Oh, there's bread o pandesal. What do they have? There's beef. There's tocino. There's chicken. Vegetables. There's penne pasta.
Banana.
Chicken. Banana. Chicken. Banana. Let me see. You say chicken? Banana. Brothers. That's that. Let's get ano. Good morning, Kuya Seth. Good morning. So we're heading to Calauit Safari Tour. There's Kuya Gab. So we're in a coaster today. Guys, finally, we're here to see the giraffe. After almost 2 long hours. Sigma boy.
Tatawa.
So hot. Yeah, I think so. Ayun si Kuya oh. Punta ka na dun. So, we're riding a boat. I'm excited to see the boat. Hawakan mo muna, baka hangin yung hat mo. Hawakan mo siya, Kuya. Hawakan mo yung hat mo. O, go na. Go there. Kuya! No! It won't fall. It won't fall. Mommy! Where's Kuya? Hi, Kuya! Where's your shades? Welcome to Calauit Safari Park. Oh, uy, Silvia sabi yun.
Hi, Silvia.
Uy, ano?
Tagak. Maganda. Mag-reto report ko para may nag-time.
Mommy want to eat them.
You want to feed them?
Ma'am, yan po yung paborito nila. Hintayin na lang po natin kasi baka maunahan tayo.
Okay.
Ayan, dito ma'am, pwede kayo mag-upo o mag-picture dyan.
Dili ko kayo kuya. Sam, look at the zebra. Ay, giraffe.
Yakapin, mamaya pa nagpili na po tayo. After po nila, bago pa po tayo, ah?
Dito ka, Sally. Harap ka yan. Hi. Oh, hi, giraffe. Hi. Sam. Oh, it's so big. Alpha. He's the alpha male of all the zebras daw. Ay, giraffe. He's already 20 years old, guys. Say hi to Kuya Giraffe.
I'll feed you to the giraffe.
Let's go there na. Pupunta nga si zebra.
Gusto ka na dyan,
Ah.
ah?
Sam, dito tayo. Ito na yung zebra. Ay, giraffe. Ano ba yan? Hi, Sam. Hi. You'll feed the giraffe? Ayan si Sammy. Don't let it fall. Kayo ka lang. Ayan, tuturuan ka ni Kuya.
Sige, set. Paano mo?
Mamaya na kayo. Si Kuya set muna. Ayan. Hawakan mo, set. Nahawakan mo siya? Huwag mo ibigay. Ikaw, Kuya. Don't be afraid. Doon ka raw sa side niya. Ayun o, katulad nun o. Ayun, katulad nung kay Kuya o. Go, kay Sam. No, don't be scared, Sam.
Sammy, your turn.
Sige dito, Sammy. Sit, dito tayo. Good boy. Good boy. Okay.
Girl yan. Good girl dapat. Oh, pasto.
Ito ma'am, photo lang dito po, ano? Ano lang po? Window lang po, para kita po natin. Yan, dito tayo banda ma'am, sa may harapan po. Para mas kita po. Yan. Okay. Sige po, lapit po kayo sir, lapit po. Lapit kayo mami niyo sir. Yan na ma'am, yumuyo ko na.
Vous savez que si on a des gens le temps que la douleur monte au cerveau, ça prend genre 20 minutes. Parce que le cerveau est tellement loin des gens que maintenant il ne sent pas la douleur avant.
Kadi. Malis eh. Okay, go. Yan. Yan. Tayo ka, babes. Yan. Running around,
You see? What did you see?
Monkey! Hi, monkey!
Ay, monkey. What is that?
A monkey!
Hello, monkey.
Sige, ibigay mo yung hat mo. Kuring yan.
Hello, monkey. Say hello to the bird, Sammy. Ayun o. Talk to it, Sammy.
Hi!
Jules.
Do not talk to me.
I don't know. You say hi to it.
Hi.
Jules.
Move.
Oh, gusto pala French.
Yeah, I speak French.
Is this French?
Jules. La cité.
Oh.
Hi, how are you?
Oh.
Move.
Oh.
Hi, how are
Jules.
you?
Hi, say how are you doing, bud?
Hi, how are you, Lord?
Whoa, it's amazing. That was so cool.
How are you today?
Jules.
I
Jules.
Hi, how are you?
Nice one, Sam. Do it again. Do it. Talk to it, Sam. Whoa.
Hi, how are you?
Ouais. Mais tu sais qu'il a lâché, il a fait Jules. Je te jure.
Hi, how are you?
Louder, Sammy.
Jules.
I'm going to get the next one, Mommy.
Alright. Ayun no, it's talking oh. Wala.
What yun ang nice one, Sam?
What is that? Ooh.
Oh, it's a big snake!
Oh yeah. It's a big snake, Sammy. Look. It's a python. Look at that. It's so huge. Huh? What can you say about it?
Hi.
Oh my god.
Yeah. What is that? You see? Come here. Let's check the others. Ano? The other one. That's the monkey we saw na eh. Come on there. Here. What's here?
There?
Yeah.
It's green.
What's in here? Nothing, kuya? Oh, there's also a ano,
Yan lalaki yan, ma'am.
crocodile.
Nakawala yan yung nakaraan.
Nakawala nakaraan. Oh, look at that oh. It's kuya videoing the monkey. Two monkeys. Oh, don't come so near ah. Hi. Hi, monkey.
I want to hold. Oh, no.
You want to hold daw, Sammy? What? You don't like? Oh, yeah. Hold the turtle. Try holding it. Hold the shell lang like that, oh. Hold the shell lang, oh.
Sa ilalim.
Oh. Oh. Don't come too near. Oh, yun nga, may crocodile. Don't touch it, si Sammy. Scary yung teeth niya, Sammy, oh. Look at the teeth, Sam.
Mabait eh. Pero pag napatong dyan, kinain na.
Ang galing ng eyes niya, no? Kuya, tingnan mo yung eyes niya. Para siyang si dinosaur. How are you? I'm good.
How are you?
How are you?
Did you eat already? Ask mo.
Are you eat already and drink water?
Not yet daw.
Drink it now.
Not yet daw, I heard.
You love monkey or dog?
Say,
Meow dog. Cat dog.
cat daw.
You love water or grass? Food or grass or water? Water dog.
What is that?
Ready nga.
You like plants or water or duck?
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, it's so good.
How about you today, Ducky?
Not a duck.
It is the duck. Meow, meow.
Say, Sammy, Sam. Sammy, say yung meow, 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 meow.
Meow, 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 meow.
Meow, meow. Say meow.
Good.
Good job, duckling. Mommy, my friend Nita need to pet your dog.
My baby boy is enjoying the crab. Yummy, baby. So we have lunch. Look at you, Dusing. And look at the Dusing baby. We had crabs, meat and veggies. And then we ordered drinks. We're already in the port. Hi guys! I'm not sure.
Come here, Sam.
Mama, don't sit here.
Come here, baby.
Don't sit
No,
here.
no, it's a video. Look, want to see yourself? Sit down, sit down.
Mama, sit down. Want to come with Mommy too?
Go there, Seth. Stay there, stay there. Stay where you are. Stay where you guys are. Okay.
Teka lang, nakatakas pala po ano.
Sami, kami naman na.
Okay, we're walking towards the lagoon. Uy, brothers, you wait for us. Di ba, Sammy? Hello! Say hi. How are you? Come on, go walk.
What's done walking, Mama?
We're going inside the cave. Yeah. Do you know what a cave is?
Okay, Mama. What's inside, Mama?
I think just water.
No. How about that?
Whoa, we're excited to go inside the cave.
Yeah. Mommy, let's go now.
Yeah. Oh, is that already the lagoon? That's the water. Leave mo yung things mo here. Ha? I'm just gonna lubog my feet. Do you want to lubog your feet, Sam? Ha? No, there's none. Let's just touch the water by our feet. You want? No, let's not swim. Because it might be with wee-wee of the bat. You know. Oh, so eto na pala yung trail. Hi, guys! School? Do you want to lubog more? Ha? Uy! Huwag mong anuin yan! Anong mo tayo doing? Yeah, probably there's bats here. Amoy shit yung bats yan. Huwag na! Wait for mommy! Go run, guys! Go! Let's go! Yeah, you're waiting for me. Thank you. Ba, excited. Go dagat, go! Kanito, Sam! I'll hold you first. Of course, the mommy will hold you. Dito lang tayo. Ah, so good the water. Oh. Ah.
Buti. Mommy, why I don't lemon my...
Because it's sandy. It's rocky pala. Oh, sarap. pusa.
Mommy,
Oh,
this is a big fish.
really? Oh, you use this.